inside. Where is the dog? The dog is inside the box. On. Where is the owl? It's on the box. Above. Where is the owl? It's above the box. Under. Where is the dog? It's under the box. Next to. Where is the dog? It's next to the box. Between. Where is the penguin? It's between the boxes. In front of. Where is the cat? It's in front of the fan. Behind. Where is the sun? It's behind the cloud. Near. Where is the owl? It's near the box. Far. How is the owl from the box? It's far from the box. Opposite. How are the men? They're opposite each other. Along. How is the girl? She walks along the beach. Across. Where is the dog? It jumps across the two boxes. At. Where are the boys? They're at the bus stop. Around. Where are they sitting? They are sitting around the fire. Into. Where is the mouse going? It is going into the box. Out of. Where is the fish coming from? It is coming out of the water. Toward. Where is the dog running? It is running toward the boy. Through. How does the lion get to the other side? It is jumping through the ring. Up. Where is the ball going? It is going up. Down. Where is the skier going? She is going down.